Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get the beautiful and healthy nails you've always dreamed of. If you want strong, shiny, and well-maintained nails, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. Nail cleaning and shaping. The first step to beautiful and healthy nails is clean nails. Regularly trimming and cleaning your nails is essential for nail health. Trim your nails every 1 to 2 weeks to your desired length and gently push back your cuticles, but don't cut them. When shaping your nails, use a fine grit nail file and file in a circular motion to avoid breakage. This will help prevent splitting and keep your nails looking smooth. 2. Moisturizing and nourishing. The secret to healthy nails is keeping them moisturized. You should moisturize both your nails and cuticles with a good cream or oil. Avocado oil or almond oil works wonders. Massage it in to help absorption. This not only strengthens your nails, but also keeps them flexible. Dry nails can become brittle and break easily, so moisturizing is key. 3. Using the right products. Using the right products in your nail care routine is just as important. If you love using nail polish, always apply a base coat to protect your nails. If you wear polish frequently, give your nails a break to breathe. Also, opt for non-acetone nail polish removers, as acetone can dry out your nails and make them prone to breakage. Nail strengtheners can also be a great addition to your routine to help keep your nails strong and resilient. 4. Importance of a healthy diet. Your nail health is closely linked to your overall health. Eating foods rich in B vitamins, biotin, and zinc can strengthen your nails from the inside out. Make sure to include eggs, almonds, salmon, and leafy greens in your diet. Hydrated by drinking plenty of water will also prevent your nails from becoming dry. Remember, beauty comes from the inside too. So those are the best tips for getting beautiful, healthy nails. If you apply these tips regularly, your nails will stay strong and stunning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to discover more beauty secrets. See you in the next video. Bye.